dahil sila kayang nakakuha ng number 1 spot after the elimination. So, tingnan natin kung nakareserve yung kanilang lakas. Samantalang itong UP Cardinals, may isang game pa.
Yes.
So, hinarap. Ito ang PMA Cadets na talagang nilandslide na nila at siniguradong sila na talaga ang makakaharap ng UP Jaguars. So, the story is, kumbaga nagtapos na doon. Eto na, panibagong kabanata. Tingnan natin kung talagang kayang ibalik ng UP Cardinals ang Corona
And of course,
against the UC Jaguars.
the UC Jaguars wants to prove that their finals, the championship last year was not a fluke. Gusto na patunayan na yun na hindi chamba, kagaya ng mga sinasabi ng mga critics, no? And for the UP Cardinals, they want to get back at UC Jaguars.
And of course, Coach Alvin Santos, napakaganda ng pinakita doon sa ladies basketball. Tingnan natin itong si Coach Abdong kung kaya niya rin panindigan na yung first game dito ang kanilang finals against UP Cardinals. Basket by the Red Shirt Zone. Ang mga nakapula, yan ang UP Cardinals. Unang deadlock natin dito sa ating ball game, of course, UC Jaguars. Magkakataon para makatikim ulit. And again,
So in the first minutes of this ball game, napansin natin, malamya ang depensa ng bawat kupunan.
yung mga shooter nila sa labas. And again, Kumibli stop. 30 seconds remaining.
How both teams will take this game with that kind of setup.
And again, Diaz.
So kung Larpal was there, so nakita natin yung extra. You need to have that if they want to regain this championship trophy from the UC Jaguars.
And again, after that 3-point basket by the Cardinals. Maganda yung 5 in favor of white shirt. Again, Orduña floating. Best shot or kumbaga best play.
That was a good block.
And again, Villanueva forcing again the shot. And finally, Villanueva nakatulong na rin para sa offensiva. Itong UC Jaguars.
Dependent on sa depensa. But sa opensa, mukha yata mahirapan silang tumulong kay Bilibli. So kaya nang sinasabi natin, these outside players of the UP Cardinals has to step up.
And again, UC Jaguars not giving up. Ginawa ni Mr. Orduña, kaya naman, we are tied at 12, 3 and 16 remaining. Again, number 16 or number 15 rather.
That style, power play, no? Against Bilibli.
The first game, best of 3. And again, Ralval.
Talagang inakyat ni Olarval yung depensa, ginawa niyang elevator. Itong sinabi natin kanina, magandang pinakita. Although ang UC Jaguars, they started better in this ball game, kaya lang ang UP Cardinals, inunti-unti nila ang kalamangan. And now, we are tied at 16, but not for long, because Olarval just drained that 3-point shot. And of course, that 3-point shot was talagang punong-punong ating gymnasium. Mamaya, sasabihin ko sa inyo, baka hindi na tayo magkakarinigan sa lakas ng ingay.
And again, scoring machine back to back. Para dito sa number 7.
Pinapakita rin ng UC, pinangangatawan nila na they are really the defending champion. Sabihin na natin na maaga pa. Pero with the kind of game that they are showing right now, they are up by 6 points, I think.
Pero hindi ganun kaganda. Although na meron silang basket from 3-point territory. Pero hindi yun sapat para nga masabayan ang magandang pinapakita nitong UC Jaguars. And again, Villanueva.
Yes, nakita natin, wala pa hanggang hindi pa pumapasok. Instead, sa kanilang first 5, ang ginagaya niya ay si Catedral. Maybe, no? Gusto nang i-condition si Catedral. He wants Catedral to beat the game. Ito natin, ang problema ng UB Cardinals ay ang kanilang front 5. So, another defense.
Ito naman.
Basan.
Oh, UC Basket. Akala natin, dire-diretso na lamang yung bola. But again, Basan. Sorry, miss. Again,
That's Villanueva, no? Tapping that ball.
Pangan ng UC Jaguars.
And that's already about 7-2 run here for the UB Cardinals. Villanueva turns around over to Valdez for 3. Off the glass! Against 5 players, Bilibli natapitan ng bola ni Ralval, and here comes the Washers running. 4-on-4 situation, Valdez too strong with a layup, but Villanueva is there for the putback once again. So yun na naman, walang box out. At okasyon, nakagawa ng bola, natapikan, at natuluyan na nga, Olarbal. Olarbal, hesitation move! He will go to the basket! Oh, almost a 3-point opportunity for Olarbal.
Free throw percentage dahil kanina nagbintes 2-2. Ito, Rolbal, tingnan natin. Second, finally. Pumasok na.
So with the score 36-25, 11-point lead, actually biggest lead ng UC Jaguars against the UB Cardinals will pause for a break. 1 minute remaining. Tumanan over to Payas. Payas is the only player. Out-rebounded the UB Cardinals 25-18. So malaki yun. So nakita natin yun sa offensive rebounds especially ng UC Jaguars. At ito naman sa 3-point attack. Pasan. Jumper for 15 short. In the rebound. Olarbal. 3-on-1 situation dahil to Deep Andrew. Pero pumasok pa rin ang kanyang tira at may kasama pang bonus. Bumabalik sa kanila yung kanilang good deeds.
White shirt. Ayan.
That's Tumanan. Champions. Kaya nilang humabol dyan. So, complacency is not an option for the UC Jaguars.
And again, dahil ginagawa para matagdagan pa yung kanilang kalamangan dito. At umalikli. Dahil papalit sila sa
Sukat kami.
hindi magbabago ang ating score. Eh, malaki pa yung kanilang hapunin.
Putang ina.
With that kind of offense that this UC Jaguars is showing, talagang oh, but ang pasok niya! Definitely! Hindi pumasok! Sayang, that was a point blank shot for Bilibli. Hindi nga lang pumasok. And in the other end of the court, itong si Garcia is scoring. And the lead is 15. Well, nakita natin yung passion of Garcia. Too close to comfort for both teams. Dahil spinning around. Valdez, or rather De Guzman. Ang time mo, hindi pumasok. Dahil is for the putback! Well, everybody was Arellano, not this time. And another fast break play. De Guzman! And the 16-point lead is again in the scoreboard for the UC Jaguars, 61-45.
Payas.
5 seconds on the shot clock. Bulay, 15-foot jumper. Pumasok pa! So nakakahawa. Nakakahawa na mga UC.
White shirt possession, Villanueva. Pinitbit na lamang yung bola, hindi pa pumasok. And again, mapatay talaga kami.
Against the UB Cardinals. Again, ang sinabi niyo kanina, they want to prove something. Gusto nila ipakita sa mga nanonood, sa mga viewers natin that they are really the defending champions.
From the outside dahil napakalaki na ng kanilang habulin.
Well, this will be their last tour, no? Ito yung huling hugot nila kung makakahabol pa sila sa ball game ito. And another 3-point shot. Another outside shooting coming from the UC Jaguars. Kaya pa yan, no? Technically, kaya lang. Kaya ba ng UB humabol? That's the big question. Kaya ba nilang humabol? Gusto ba nilang humabol? And another 3-point shot. This time from Olarbal. So, palobo ng palobo. It's already a 20-point lead. That's the fakes. Parson na. Ay, nain. So again, yung kanilang depensa sa loob. Gumagana. And Garcia!
Patuloy kong nadadagdagan yung kalaman again. Number 18, sigurang sa game para dito sa UC Jaguars. Kaya ito na naman yung sinasabi mga kanina. Tamang ginagawa ng UC Jaguars. Kaya pero ito, kahit pinag-kumitaw.
Yun ang masakit for the UB Cardinals. So malaking factor yan. The number of fouls reflects their lead in this ball game. And dahil again, offensive rebound. So nakita na naman natin, walang tax out, walang depensa. Mahina ang defense. Mahina pa silang dumepensa. So talagang nagiging liability sila sa loob ng ating court, loob ng laruan. And now, Tumobo sa 26 ang kalamangan ng UC Jaguars. Game 35 minutes or 37 minutes of this ball game. And nakita natin, pare-parehas no, nothing has changed. Ay, wala na. And July for 3. Yes! Wow! Grabe naman ang ginagaro ng UC Jaguars. Lahat nagtawan sila na ano, ni Boss Mills. Tignan natin if kumanan. Oh! And now it's a 30. It's now a 32-point lead for check and evaluate what failures they have done in this ball game. Kailangan nilang balikan ano bang nangyari sa ating first game.
Lahat ng aspect, pag-aaralan
Oh,
nila yan.
pag-aaralin na yan, especially malaking homework ito kay Coach Basco kung paano niya i-motivate yung kanyang mga players to play better for tomorrow's game number 2.
Maganda lang itong UC Jaguars. Tingnan natin kung nandun pa rin yung kanilang intensity.
Well,
Both men and women. Basketball, nandun pa rin.
for the part of the UC Jaguars, there's no need for them. No? It's not an option for them to be complacent, to be overconfident. Kung tingnan pa kanila ang UB ngayon, hindi yan sigurado. Hindi yan ang magiging judgment na sila magsa-champion. We still have game number 2 tomorrow. Subukas, kita-kita tayo sa UB Gymnasium. Once again, sa ating nagpapasalamat tayo sa ating mga sponsors. Of course, ang UB, University of Baguio under the Bautistas, and of course, ang Baguio College of Technology. At sa in behalf of our technical group here, kay Derek Atan, sina Christian, sina Boss Mix, sina Roderick, at lahat ng guys, lahat ng Sky Cable guys, maraming salamat sa inyo, and see you tomorrow. This is Bert Emiliano and Chris Burgess saying to you, happy Sky Cable viewing. Just imagine what you can do.